you hit the nail on the head when you said emotional support animal, therapy dog, or service dog. Those are kind of the three that get confused. They're all, have a purpose. They all have a very good goal in mind, but they are different. So an emotional support animal, that's probably what you're getting asked for the most, because normally those are prescribed by a doctor. Unfortunately, there's really no oversight on them. There's no, required training or anything like that. So it really, truly is just a letter from a doctor. And a couple of years ago, I wanted to just see how easy it was to get an ESA. And I got online and I paid a little fee, and I got a letter from a doctor from Hawaii that said my dog Daisy at the time was now an emotional support animal. And I could fly with her and do all of those things. So she had never been assessed. Who knows if she was well behaved or anything like that. Where I think they're very valid and they play a very important role is for housing. When there's housing that doesn't allow animals, if there's someone who truly needs their animal with them because they have anxiety or they, suffer from something where being apart from their dog or their cat, not being able to live with them would be very detrimental to them. It's so crucial for them to be able to have, their animal. Then yeah, this plays a very good role. A lot of the airlines have done away with letting folks fly for free with their pets because they're an ESA, because people were taking advantage of them. We heard about, the emotional support peacock and emotional support alligator and, all of these things that people were trying to fly with. And so, like I said, there's absolutely a role. There's a lane for that. But you just want to remember that this doesn't mean that you have public access. It doesn't mean that the dog, can go with you anywhere that you want to take them. They are a pet still. So you still need to follow the guidelines around where you can and can't take your animal.